Oh my God. There's nothing I could do. I had to try to draw back. Because once she's past here, I don't have a shot. Oh, that got me shaking, son. A spike. That's how I needed the dose to come in. That would have been a perfect shot right there. Alright, we're running a little late today. Trying to run in here as fast as I can. Trying to be quiet, but still trying to kill a doe. If the buck steps out, that'd be great, but gonna be taking the doe today if we can. Seen a ton of doe in this field in the afternoons. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a shot there. Let's get in the stand. Nothing's moving right now, so it's honestly a good sign. I'm hoping something steps out in here like an hour or something. Got a couple big acorn trees right here that they've been feeding under. I've had a good buck on this camera right here a few weeks ago, but never got on him. And then he's been gone. But now my camera down there has been dead for a while, so I have no clue what's been moving through here. Saw a video today of bucks starting to chase up here in northwest Arkansas, so I'm thinking the rut is definitely starting. So we're either going to shoot a doe or maybe we'll get lucky, see a good buck step by. I'm hunting this spot, I call it the cut. It's a little cut through to a big cedar thicket and then out here into this field. Basically hunting a transition with a known cut. I'd be shocked if we didn't see deer tonight. Now we wait. There's literally a deer behind me while I was talking and I had no idea. Oh my God. I just shot him. Let me watch the footage back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I just did that. It was high. The shot was really high shoulder. Oh my God, I can't believe that. I don't know if that's a good shot. It might have got the lungs. I can't tell. Alright guys, that's my stand right there. I shot him right here. I'm gonna go see if there's any blood right here just to start. I'm not gonna be able to see from this side of the fence probably. I don't see anything. I found just a little bit of blood right here at the shot site. I see another leaf right here. That's blood. It's a very small amount. Very small amount of blood here. Okay, I'm gonna back out. I've seen the blood. Alright guys, got Chase on the big cam rolling. Better go try to track this deer. We looked back at the footage. That arrow went like halfway in him. So I'm thinking if it hit lungs, it definitely penetrated enough. But the shot was just kind of high and there's not a lot of blood. So this is gonna be interesting. Headlamp's about to die and it's dark, so let's get to it, I guess. Let's go, flying. And then he walked up to like here or something and then came right back. There's my stand right there in that tree. And I shot him right here. And I found a little drip of blood. It was right here somewhere. I don't even know anymore, but I know he went this way. Mm-hmm. Here it is. Teeny tiny drop of blood.
Is there a pond down there?
Yeah. Alright guys, just found my arrow. We cannot find any blood anywhere, but there's blood on this arrow. Pretty good. I mean, there's blood all the way up to here. That arrow went 3/4 of the way, halfway in him, so let's just keep on his path. Let's just see. I'm gonna leave this here. Gonna lay him down. That's a good sign though. That's a good sign. At least we found something. I guess let's keep going this way. Alright y'all, we're back out here. It's the next morning. We didn't find anything last night except for my arrow. So I know what direction he was running, but he obviously was not super fatally wounded. So I'm just doing my due diligence today. I had to come out, take another look, just because I couldn't see anything last night. I mean, at this point, it's just like I'm going to find him laying down somewhere if he's dead. We looked everywhere last night, though. I will say he's gone a long ways if he's alive. Anyways, it's been raining all night, so we'll see. If I don't find him today, I 100% think that buck's going to live. Or he went so far, you know, probably off the property that I don't think I'm going to be able to find him. So we're just going to look at all these ditches today, see if we can see anything. Maybe we'll get lucky.
I'm about to just go walking and grid search literally everywhere around here. So I'm gonna start at the where I found the arrow. Let's get looking for this thing. Go find where my arrow was first. At least I can actually see. Couldn't see anything last night. Pretty sure he was running along this hillside. Yeah, I think he went through all this. Kept going. Just go check this ravine up here, I guess. So he broke the arrow off at 90 yards away and was still hauling butt. Just looking for a white belly. We walked this whole ditch last night, so I'm not even gonna walk that again. Walk through the whole creek, but I am gonna go up this way. Well, this one's been a heartbreaker, unfortunately. I've searched everywhere that I can, all the way to my property line. It's got to be 400 or 500 yards from where he was shot. I don't know how, but that deer is at least alive enough to make it that far and out of here. So I'm really just hoping there's a chance I didn't get into those lungs and he might live. He's got half an arrow in him, but he is still kicking. Hopefully he's just shoulder shot, and may even see him around again. But that's how this story's gonna end, unfortunately. I wish I could do more. We still got plenty of deer season left. We're gonna get one down. This is definitely not gonna stop us from trying. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Heartbreaking Arkansas hill country. But it's all right, we're gonna get on another one. So y'all stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.